Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna open up my Triumph Stream water filter that was sitting in my refrigerator for the past few months, and I'm curious to see what is inside the filter. This is a aftermarket brand called Triumph Stream, and this was the first time I've been using it in my refrigerator, so I want to compare it and see how it's made and how it's different from the original Frigidaire water filter. I have simply placed it in my table vice grip, and I'm just gonna cut the end of it open and see what's inside. So after cleaning the end with a wire brush, this is what the inside looks like. Looks like there's an inner cartridge enclosed in the white plastic, and I haven't cut through that, so that will be the next step. So here I decided to cut the other end off as well, to make sure that the inside cartridge comes out intact. So here is what the other end looks like once cut off. Then I can simply push out the cartridge from its plastic housing. The outside is still wet. Here's one end, here is another end. So I took a pair of snips and cut some areas around the cap of the filter, and then pried it open. It came easily off, and if you look at this, it's some kind of a carbon foam structure. Whoops. The filter has a hole in the middle. There's actually quite a lot of material here, so it looks like it's a pretty decent filter. This is pretty hard. It doesn't even crumble much. So the water must be going in from the inside and then seeping to the outside and back to the refrigerator. So this is looks like a pretty decent filter, actually. Not bad at all. So there it is. Triumph Stream water filter, an alternative to the Frigidaire filter. Thanks everyone for watching.